in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off screen time on your iPhone. To turn off your screen time on your iPhone, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to settings on your iPhone. So let's open up my settings. So once you open up your settings on your iPhone, you want to scroll down to screen time. So you want to scroll down, So we have screen time over here. I want you to tap on the screen time. So let's tap on that. So once you tap on the screen time, it will bring up this page for you. On this page, I want you to scroll down all the way to the bottom. So once you get to the bottom, you're going to see where it says turn off app and website activity. So I want you to tap on that turn off app and website activity. Just tap on it. So once you tap on it, it will require you to put in your screen time password. So let's put in our screen time password. So once you put in your screen time password, if you check the down part here at the bottom, it will ask you for confirmation. So you just want to tap on turn off app and website activity again. Just tap on it. So once you tap on it, the screen time will be turned off successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually turn off screen time on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.